Getting this launcher ready isn't easy. And those wing gliders are almost here. Still need to put the wings in place. Can't have a wing glider without wings.
Toothless!
When these wings are in place, you'll fly and see birds better than any dragon. You'll see some gorka legs, which are well known to explode when they hatch. But don't worry, they only hatch in exactly these conditions at exactly this time of year.
Oh no!
Which means that stopping here would be a really bad idea. Oh boy. Hold on tight. Impressed. If you ever want to go flying again, just stop by. Toothless and I will be waiting for you. We're the best of friends. God, Toothless, not the face, not the face.